Hi friends, welcome back to Aney Storytime Adventures. Okay, do you believe in lucky stars? Today I will show you how to create your very own lucky star with just a piece of paper. This tiny star is more than origami. It's a symbol of hope, dreams and wishes. As we fold each crease, imagine filling it with your own little wish. By the end, you will have a star that shines with positivity, just like you. So, grab your paper, let's fold together and bring a little magic into our hands.